If you have been craving sugar like crazy since starting prostate cancer treatment, you're not alone. And if you find yourself reaching out for those cookies or ice cream, I get it. But what if I told you that there is a food that not only satisfies the craving, but also helps your body fight back? Many men that I work with who are on ADT, you might know it as hormone therapy, they tell me that their sweet tooth is out of control. And that is not weakness, that's biology. You see, ADT affects our metabolism. It increases insulin resistance and it causes fatigue, both of which lead to sugar cravings. At the same time, fatigue and emotional stress lead to emotional eating, which usually push you to eat things that are soft, sweet, and fast. But here is the problem. Most sweets are high in refined sugar, pro-inflammatory fats, and a lot of calories, which feed the wrong things. They spike blood sugar, they spike insulin, and they increase systemic inflammation, all of which can increase prostate cancer progression and side effects from the treatments. In some prostate cancer studies, higher blood sugars and insulin levels were associated with faster prostate cancer progression and worse survival outcomes. Now, here is the good news. There is a group of foods that you can eat that is naturally sweet, low in sugar, helps fight inflammation, supports gut health, and may actually slow down prostate cancer tumor growth. They are berries, and they're not just for garnish. They are a great fruit and a legitimate dessert backed with scientific evidence, and you can find the studies that I'm using for this video in the description. Now, while I'm exploring the benefits of berries and how they elicit all those beautiful health effects and anti-prostate cancer benefits, I'd like to ask you to share with us, if you're eating berries, have you noticed any changes in your health, your gut, or anything after starting incorporating berries in your diet? What makes berries so amazing? Well, they are low in calories. So a cup of strawberries, they only have 50 calories. They are low in glycemic load. So when you eat them, they will not spike your blood sugar or your blood insulin levels. They have high fiber, which makes you feel full, but also high fiber foods, and especially natural foods like fruit and vegetables, they feed our little pets in the gut, our gut microbiome, which is responsible for most of our health benefits. But most importantly, berries are packed with polyphenols like ellagic acid, anthocyanins, and quercetin, which are powerful anti-inflammatories, antioxidants, and they have direct anti-prostate cancer effects, which we're going to explore in a future video. Here's how you can turn berries into some delicious dessert recipes, enjoyed with moderation, of course. You can add them to unsweetened coconut yogurt or goat's Greek yogurt with a pinch of cinnamon and a teaspoon of raw honey. Or you can blend them into a frozen smoothie with coconut milk and a scoop of plant-based protein powder. You can make a chia seed pudding with flaxseed, ground flaxseed, and cacao powder. Or you can just eat them frozen straight out from the bag for a crunchy, sweet treat at night. I have a free recipe for you that you can download in the description of the video. And if you like this video so far, if you click the like button, you can help spread it to those who might need it and raise awareness. And these are kind of the recipes that I give to the men that I work with. Ones that don't cut out pleasure from their diet and actually things that they tell me they enjoy. They have recipes for that, not filled with chemicals and artificial sweeteners. And they're actually aligned with their healing instead of sabotaging it. I understand how important food is. Food is emotional, especially during treatment. And that's why I give the men that I work with options that are nourishing, comforting, and empowering. So when they eat them, they feel good, they like them, and they feel like they're doing something good for their body, not just giving in into a guilty pleasure. So if you want the recipes, you can download them for free in the description. And if you want a custom built nutrition plan, complete with grocery shopping lists, built around you, your preferences, your busy lifestyle, and designed to reduce your symptoms of prostate cancer, the side effects of the treatments, reduce the growth of prostate cancer, reduce the risk of prostate cancer coming back, and increase your health, your energy, your mood, your digestion, your immune system, and your sleep, well, that's the kind of work that I do with men like you, and I help them one-to-one do sustainable and gradual changes. Learn more at my website. Gentlemen, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.